Rare investment opportunity under $200,000, whether you're looking for equity potential as a buyer or as an investor to renovate to hold or resale, this property offers both opportunities. Your personal touch will transform this low-maintenance brick ranch into a place where anyone would want to call home. With 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, and 2-car garage, it is being sold as is. It offers spacious living with a family room, living room and sunroom perfect for family gatherings. Adjacent to the kitchen is a good-sized dining room for easy entertaining and memorable dinner parties. The cellar, basement and floored attic offers storage galore. And it comes with 1.59 acres. Affordable and priced to sell at $175,000. Don't miss this amazing opportunity. Call today to schedule your personal showing.